Now let's take a look at another problem where we are finding the area of a circle after we've taken something away from it. In this case, we have a 12-inch pizza, and we want to find the area of that 12-inch pizza without the missing slices. So here's our pizza, our 12-inch pizza, and we'll notice it's missing 2 pieces of pizza. And more than likely my children took them, because they always take my pizza. We're going to look away from that and move on. Here is our pizza, and we want to find out the area of that pizza without those 2 slices. So the first thing that we'll need to do is find the area of the entire pizza. We'll find the area of the whole pizza, and then we'll find the area of the 2 smaller pieces that we've taken out, and we will subtract the smaller pieces from the larger piece of pizza, and that will give us the area of the entire pizza minus those 2 slices. So here we go. Let's find the area of the entire pizza. We've been told that the pizza is 12 inches in diameter. That's how they measure pizzas. They measure them across the center, and that is the size of your pizza. So this pizza is 12 inches in diameter. So our diameter is 12 inches. Now, the formula for finding the area of a circle, more than likely you'll remember, is pi r squared. Pi r squared, because pi are not circular, pi r squared. Here we have area is equal to pi r squared. We have our diameter being 12 inches. Now how can we get our radius from our diameter? Well, we remember that the diameter is equal to the radius times 2. Our radius starts in the center and moves out. And then our radius starts in the center and moves out this way, and that gives us our diameter. Diameter is all the way across. Radius is half of that. So if we want our radius, we divide our diameter by 2. In this case, our diameter is 12. We divide that by 2, and we get 6 inches for our diameter. Excuse me, for our radius. In this case, we'll plug our radius in for r. Our radius is 6 inches. We know that that needs to be squared and then multiplied by pi. So the area is equal to pi times 6 squared. 6 squared is 36, and we just don't write our answer with the pi in front. That's just not the way we write things in math. We always put the variable at the end. So we wind up with 36 pi for our answer. Area is equal to 36 pi. That is the area of this entire pizza. 36 times pi is our answer. Remember, we're leaving that in terms of pi. If we wanted to, we could calculate that and find out the answer in an actual number. If we wanted to, we could multiply 36 times pi, or 3.14, and that would give us 113.1. So area is equal to 113.1. So that is also our area of the larger circle. We don't need the area of the larger circle. We need the area of the larger circle minus these 2 pieces. So our next step is to find out the area of these 2 pieces. Well, one thing that we can do is find the area of one of the pieces and then multiply it by 2. Because they're the same size, we can just find the area of one and multiply it by 2. So we take our area, which is 36 pi, and then we divide that by the total number of pieces. The pie has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. We divide 36 pi by 8. And if we want to remember it this way, we can also say that we divide 113.1 divided by 8. And that gives us 113. Let's pull up our calculator. 113.1 divided by 8, and that gives us about 14.1. I think it was 14.14. We'll round up 14.14. So one of these pieces of pizza has an area of 14.14 inches squared. That means that this one also has an area of 14.14 inches squared, so we can multiply those by 2. 14.14 times 2 is equal to 28.28. 28.28. We multiply it by 2. That is the amount of area that we're going to subtract from our total area of the pizza. We'll take 113.1, which is our total area of the entire pizza, and we'll subtract from that 28.28, which is the area of just those 2 pieces of pizza right there. We'll take those 2 pieces of pizza and then we'll subtract the 2. 113.1 divided, 113.1 minus 28.28 going to be equal to 84.82. 84.82, and that is the area of our pizza minus the 2 slices. 84.82 inches squared.